What really happens to your cells if you stop eating for 16 hours? The clock starts now.
Hour 12. Easy fuel is gone. Your liver starts melting pure body fat just to survive.
Hour 14. Growth hormone spikes 500%. Your body protects muscle, so you only burn fat.
4 p.m. Autophagy begins. The cells eat themselves, consuming their own waste to renew themselves. Ketones boost your mind, giving you a level of focus you haven't felt in years.
Inflammation cools down and vanishes. Your body heals itself from the inside. Vital rule: black coffee is fine, but 1 drop of milk or sugar stops the cleanse instantly. It's the fountain of youth. Can you handle the hunger? Comment fasting to start tomorrow. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe.